supply chain, supply chain, supply chain, localization, 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 expatriate, 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 joint venture, joint venture, joint venture, trade agreement, trade agreement, trade agreement, supply chain. For example, the stability of our supply chain is vital for our international operations. Localization. For example, localization of our products is necessary for success in Asian markets. Expatriate. For example, we offer support programs for our expatriates and their families. Joint venture. For example, we are exploring a joint venture with a firm in South America. Trade agreement. For example, the trade agreement between the two countries will facilitate easier exports.